This video that you're about to see is about outtakes and pretty much all the stuff I reviewed and did throughout 2018. It's not quite done yet, but if you count on how many times I burp through this video, you will get a $100 Amazon gift card sent to your email address. Watch this video. Thank you everybody for your support, and I'm going to continue giving you the best possible contact. Screwed it up. So anyway, this video is about outtakes, and there's a whole shitload of them in this one right now. Hope you guys enjoy it. You know what we could do? Just thought of something so cool. This is gonna be great! You're gonna love this. This is unbelievable, folks. Again, let's rewind. This is an impressive light. Do we like this? Whatever. The Aorus 2000 image. Don't forget that 30% discount code.
I'm gonna go sniff glue. We'll be right back after this break. Sure.
I could get a 10. Wait a minute. I feel it. I got a 10. And today we have this really cool product. It's a it's a monitor, okay? It's an Asus monitor. Don't forget that 30% discount code. It's God. So excited, you have no idea. I can't pronounce it to save my life. A Blue Fire headset, stereo headset for the PS4, Xbox, and the PC. I definitely need a different chair back here. It's a 100-watt, whoop, spin it around. I had it right the first time.
You see right there? It's Joe Scabani, Assistant Director.
And you have Director Richard Mondesi.
And we're going to be taking pictures.
Yeah,
and
lots
this
of
will be a lot of fun. And Joe will definitely post it.
Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we'll Best Tech 300-watt power inverter and demonstration. Just a moment.
All right, on this show, each contestant will come up, show their acting chops, and get judged by the judges. And if they pass, they get a chance to feature in their own film. I fucked that up. That's not right. Sorry.
Take it from. I have no thing. Aorus has given me 3 licenses, 3 premium licenses with 1 terabyte of storage for 5 PCs. All right, so I put the fuse already in, I put the handle in, so this is a new battery pack here. Today we will be looking at this Type-C external, what the f is this thing? Today we're gonna review, reviewing the coolest power inverter you're gonna find. I had to modify the camera angle. Plus it looks more professional when I do this. I ordered a Note 9. It came in today. I got a notification that, yeah, it's mine. And I'm supposed to be setting it up today. And that's it. Everything else is crap. Absolutely crap. CT7000 action camera, all right? This is the actual camera itself. 2 batteries, 2! The feather or this thing is actually in the way of it. So stupid. Fuck it. I'm gonna give 2 $100 gift cards to 2 lucky people who can find out how many times I burp in this video. I'm having a good time. I'm loving you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here today. The Hero 6 Black. This gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. I did a review on this home light saw. There we go. The reason why I'm actually doing this, you can't find this product anywhere. The media card reader is actually USB 3.0. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be doing an extended range test, the Fifine UHF wireless microphone. Okay, but you still see me? Yeah. Okay, so. I think this product deserves the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because it's hands down the most coolest freaking thing I've ever seen in a watch. The battery will be dead before this is ever full. Today we're going to be talking about GPS-based drones and the gimmick altitude hold. It's all dependent on the actual tuner itself. So in other words, even modifying the TerraMaster F4 220 NAS. La 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 la. So guys, in conclusion, we do realize that the iSteady Pro does have motor noise. So now we can clearly see, here's the real-time clock, BIOS battery, 2 memory cards here. They use laptop memory for this. Now, if I had to choose between either the Sound Blaster X or the HyperX, I would actually pick the HyperX Cloud. And today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the new Corsair K70 RGB MK2 keyboard. IPS 29-inch 2560 by 1080. Let's get to it. And it offers two, God. So if you're looking for a camera, snake camera such as this, I recommend it because it does work. And now we're going to go into detail about the product. This is made by Rugged. Then you have the microphone and you're talking to the microphone. Hey, hey, hey. Joey is here. A product called Senior. And I screwed this up. Let's try this again. I can't believe it. Today we're going to be reviewing Senior. Today, my God, I'm fucking everything up today. Oh my God. The wake up gesture for your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Doesn't exist. This is not standard.
Why do I always start to cough when I do a video? It's very strange.
I have it right here. We're going to do an unboxing of it. But I tell you, these Chinese people really know how to make funky names for their products. I'm praying to God that this is a faulty product. I believe I'm one of the first US reviewers to get my hands on this. So you can have 2 hard drives in here. You can have it's a nice piece of hardware.
Yo, homies. Yo, what it be like, man? Shit, man. Shit, we got some more Bluetooth stuff, man. Shit. Now, I don't understand why I got some of this Bluetooth stuff. I'm really confused, man. I got so much stuff here. Let me try to center. Make it this a little bit normal. Here we go, a little bit more.
It's another Bluetooth FM transmitter. I just broke 4,000 subscribers a couple days ago. I'm very, very happy. And today we have this cool product called GMAC or JMAC. You, my friends, are looking at the awesome Zungle Viper sunglasses that have built-in, I don't even know what you want to call it. How much are you willing to spend on a makeup artist? And he texted me back and he says, I can't do anything, I'm broke from Duped. And that's pretty much it. Look how much weight I lost. Woohoo!
Yeah.